po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Friday. Ngayong hapon po ang ating mga bisita ay ang dalawang leading men ng Filipino adaptation ng Korean hit na ito, Naitay Kapuso. Please welcome Paul Salas, Michael.
It's a great story po because the story isn't just about love, it's not just about the conflicts. There's a journey with it. It talks about family, it talks about business, and then the love that we'll face in our everyday lives.
Yun yung point siguro ng Shining Inheritance din, yung ano nga ba talaga yung mas priority at mas uunahin natin. Pagmamahal or yung love of money. Siguro dun po tayo, talaga, yun po yung mapapakita namin sa mga kapuso.
It's very happy po dito po, and I think with Cassie and I, we just have something special together.
Nice! Halimbawa tinanong ka, hypothetical lang ito, Michael, either Zorin or Mina, do you love our daughter? What would you say? Ay, hindi ako nagtatanong ha.
Hypothetical po, I mean, yes, na lang po.
Biruan malalim ito. Pero may pagka-onting pressure na napipil both sides. Pero may biruan dito po, may biruan, may pangarap siguro.
Let's go. Superman, Spider-Man.
Superman.
Morena, maputi.
Maputi.
Makinis, malinis.
Makinis.
Guilty or not guilty, nanligaw sa co-star.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nagselo sa co-star.
Guilty.
Guilty ka?
Guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
All day, every day.
Complete this. Michael, proud ako sa'yo kasi
No matter what challenges I face, lumalaban pa rin.
Yes, sir.
cute hot,
Cute.
abs chest,
Ups.
kaldad karga.
Pandag.
Pakita mo nga.
Ha!
Oh!
Okay. Sayaw o sigaw?
Sigaw.
Sigaw nga. Guilty or not guilty? Nabasted ng artista.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsabay na girls noon.
Uy, guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na fall sa co-star.
Guilty.
Co-star.
Ito po puro guilty yata yan.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagsinungaling kay Mikey.
Before guilty.
Kailan ka huling nagsinungaling kay Mikey?
2 years ago.
Lights on or lights off?
Dim.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Night time ako.
Complete the sentence. Paul, proud ako sa'yo. You're talking to yourself. Dahil
I'm walking with Christ. Andiyan na yung love story. Pangalawa yung pag-aaway ng inheritance at ng pamilya.
Yes.
Ikaw, Mike.
Ako masasabi ko isang serye to na madaming malalaking eksena na pinaghandaan namin lahat as actors sa prod na talagang napakaganda ng outcomes and we're very proud of it. So please abangan niyo po yan at mapanood niyo sa akin.
Happy and bitin. Lagi naman pagka nakakausap talaga si Tito Bono o kapag ka nag-guest, talagang may feeling ka na after ng interview bitin kaya mapapabalik ka talaga. So thank you, Fast Talk. And hopefully makabalik kami ulit soon.
Yeah. Ako naman first time ako na wala akong masabi. Nag-freeze talaga ako. Ni Tito Boy. Oo, grabe na. Pumula na yung mukha ko lahat na. So masaya naman and of course I'm grateful to always be able to guest sa Fast Talk.